Every second, your body is running millions of biological processes: protein folding, gene switching on and off, cell dividing. Now, imagine trying to keep track of all of that information written in a codes of billion of letters A, T, G, and C. This is the language of life, DNA, and to decode it, we need more than microscopes and test tubes. We need supercomputers and algorithm. That's where bioinformatics comes. Bioinformatics is the powerful blend of biology, computer science, and statistics. It turns mountains of biological data into discoveries that saves life, from mapping the human genome to developing COVID-19 vaccines. Bioinformatics is revolutionizing modern research. Today, let's dive into how bioinformatics is transforming science, medicine, and even the future of humanity. So, first, let's learn what is bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is the science of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting biological data using computational tools. Think of it as a translator between biology and computers, where a biologist sees a DNA sample, a bioinformatician sees gigabytes of data, strings of letters that can be aligned, compared, and decoded for patterns. In simple terms, biology creates the question and computer help us find the answers. One of the biggest achievements of bioinformatics was the Human Genome Project. It is completed in 2003. It mapped all 3 billion base pairs of human DNA, a task that would have been impossible without computers. Back then, it took over 10 years and billions of dollars. Today, with advanced bioinformatics tools, we can sequence an entire human genome in just a few days for less than $1,000. And it does not stop there. Genomic data from thousands of people are being compared to find genetic variations linked to the diseases like cancer or diabetes. This is helping researchers predict diseases risk and design better treatment. Medicine is perhaps where bioinformatics shine the brightest. For example, drug discovery, personalized medicine, and vaccine design. If we talk about drug discovery, instead of testing thousands of chemicals blindly, scientists use bioinformatics to model how a drug will interact with a protein on the computer first. This saves time, money, and lives. For personalized medicine, doctors can now look at your genetic makeup and design treatments specially for you. For example, some cancer therapies target mutations unique to a patient's tumor. And beyond the vaccine design, we can say that during the COVID-19 pandemic, bioinformatics helped scientists quickly analyze the virus's genome and identify the perfect spike protein target for the vaccine. Without bioinformatics, developing vaccine that fast would have been impossible. Diseases aren't just caused by a single gene. They involve complex networks of genes, proteins, and signaling pathways. Bioinformatics allows researchers to map these interactions like a giant city map where you can see which roads are blocked and causing problems. For example, in cancer, bioinformatics can reveal which signaling pathways are overreactive. In neurological disorder, it can show how tiny mutations disrupt brain functions. This kind of knowledge helps researchers develop targeted therapies rather than one size fits all treatments. But bioinformatics isn't limited to human health. Scientists are using it to create more resilient crops, identifying disease resistant genes in plants, and boost yields. That's a big achievement in the field of agriculture. Bioinformatic databases track the genetic diversity and endangered species, helping conservationists protect them. That has a huge impact in biodiversity. And if we talk about the microbiome, our bodies contain trillions of microbes, and bioinformatics help decode this hidden ecosystem that affects digestion, immunity, and even mood. The future of bioinformatics is even more exciting. With artificial intelligence and machine learning, computers can now predict protein structures, simulate entire biological systems, and even anticipate future pandemics. One recent breakthrough was DeepMind's AlphaFold, which predicted the 3D structure of nearly every protein known to science, a dream biologists have for decades. This means faster drug development, better understanding of diseases, and possibly even extending human lifespan. So, from decoding DNA to designing new medicines, from protecting crops to saving species, bioinformatics is shaping the future of science. It is a perfect example of how biology and technology, when combined, can unlock the secrets of life itself. What excites you the most about bioinformatics? Its role in medicine, agriculture, or AI driven biology? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the fascinating world of biology and technology. Thank you for watching.